If anyone is interested in learning how to read or just improve your reading skills, you have come to the right place.
This is not going to be a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 video.
In this video, we're diving into one of the most important skills in music: how to read rhythms. Rhythm is the foundation. No matter what instrument you play, understanding rhythm helps you stay in time and play with confidence. We'll go over how to read notes and rests, from whole notes all the way down to eighth notes, and how to interpret them phonetically. I'll show you some fun ways to vocalize rhythms so that you can really feel the beat. By the end, you'll have the tools to read rhythms confidently. In the past, ancient cultures used syllables to represent certain rhythms, so the teacher would teach the student orally without the need for music notation. We shall use both approaches so as to be both practical and musical. Rhythmic notation uses symbols for notes and rests. In the eighth note grid, we'll have to learn 9 symbols. That's it, so this is gonna be easy. A measure is a group of beats. Measures are separated by a vertical line called the bar line. The staff is our canvas for writing rhythmic patterns. We shall use 3 syllables only. Ta is the attack of a note. A is the duration, used if the note is longer than an eighth note. Stands for rests. We shall sing the rests too. Feeling them is not good enough. If you can say it, you can play it. In a 4/4 time signature, which is the most common meter in music, each measure will have 4 beats. Every piece of music has a steady pulse, marked by the beats of a metronome. We usually tap our foot or clap along to this pulse. A quarter note lasts for 1 beat. It looks like a black circle with a line called a stem going up or down. That is phonetically sung ta.
Ta 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 ta.
Music is made of sound and silence. Notes tells us when to play and for how long. Rests tells us when not to play and for how long. A quarter rest means you are not to play anything for 1 beat. Its symbol resembles a backward Z on top of a C or a vertical wavy line. That is phonetically sung An eighth note rest lasts for half a beat. Its symbol looks like a small number 7 with a little flag at the top, a curved mark with a small hook. That is phonetically sung An eighth note lasts for half a beat. Its symbol looks like a filled-in circle with a stem and a flag on top. That is phonetically sung ta. When there are 2 eighth notes in 1 beat, their flags connect to form a single beam. There are still 2 separate eighth notes. The beam just joins them together. That is phonetically sung ta-ta.
Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta.
The whole note looks like an open circle and lasts 4 quarter notes, which equals 8 eighth notes. So we'll use 8 syllables, 1 for the attack of the note and 7 for the duration. That is phonetically sung ta. A whole note rest resembles an upside down hat. That is phonetically sung The half note looks like an open note with a stem. It lasts for 2 quarter notes, which equals 4 eighth notes. That is phonetically sung ta. A half note rest looks like a hat. It is phonetically sung So there are 8 possibilities. We could have a whole note rest, a half note rest, a quarter note rest, an eighth note rest followed by an eighth note or 2 connected eighth notes. Now the fun begins. We shall start reading and singing our first rhythms. Our first pattern has a quarter note, an eighth note rest, then an eighth note, a quarter rest, and a pair of eighth notes. That measure is sung ta, 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 ta. These are the building blocks, the rhythms we use most often on the eighth note grid. In the next section, we'll look at how to combine these rhythms into short musical phrases, just like you'll find in real songs. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is to feel the rhythm. Practicing like this will help your rhythm reading become second nature. Now that we know the basic note values, let's look at two symbols that make rhythms last longer, the dot and the tie. A dot placed after a note increases its length by half of its original value. For example, a dotted quarter note is as long as a quarter note plus an eighth note. Phonetically, we sing it as ta. A tie connects two notes with a curved line. It increases the duration of the first note, so you play the first note and hold it for the total length of both notes. The tie makes the first note last longer. Phonetically, we can sing a half note tied to quarter note as ta. We play the half note, then let it ring into the quarter note. We don't play the second note again. Great work! You've just practiced reading and performing rhythms using whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, and the rests. We've sung the rhythms of different note values to understand how long its note lasts compared to the beat. Keep clapping and counting different combinations until they feel natural. And try reading rhythms from your favorite songs to see how these patterns show up everywhere. If this lesson helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more music tutorials, and let me know in the comments what rhythm topic you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and remember, music starts with rhythm, so keep practicing your beat.